Puravankara Group coming up with their new launch project right here in Aerospace Park, North Bangalore. Hello everyone and very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jaytal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Codename Flow. And in this teaser, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. So this is the land parcel of the project, and the marketing office is right here, which is under construction for now. And now, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now about the project overview, and this project is spread across 25 acres of land parcel consisting of 8 towers in all, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 30 floors, offering you exclusive 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 4 BHK and 4.5 BHK duplex premium residencies. Now about the location part, and the project is located right next to the new airport road in Aerospace Park, North Bangalore. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. St. John Hospital is just 700 meters away from the project. You can connect to Reva University in 4.5 kilometers. Upcoming Orient Mall is 700 meters and upcoming nearest metro station will be within 7 kilometers from the location of the project. Now about the amenities part, and the project provides you 60 plus world-class amenities like of 1 lakh square feet of clubhouse, 2 swimming pool, sitting pavilion, indoor games, outdoor games, kids play area and many more amenities. Now about the super built-up area. So as mentioned, this project offers you 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 4 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residencies, where 2 BHK starting from 927 and 1050 square feet. 3 BHK is 1450 square feet, 3.5 BHK 1600 to 1800 square feet. 4 BHK and 4.5 BHK duplex is 2100 square feet to 2400 square feet super built up area. Now about the booking process, and currently the project is in pre-launch stage and our EOI window is open now, that is expression of interest. So we are inviting our interested client to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model flight once it's ready. So everyone, this was the teaser of Codename Flow located in Aerospace Park, North Bangalore, a project developed by Puravankara Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.